So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade to a team plan here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Once it's open up, go to the bottom left and press on where it says upgrade plan right here. Collaborate on a team plan. Simply go ahead and press on this. Now, as you can tell, my current plan just is the plus plan, but if you wanted to switch this over to a team plan or upgrade to a team plan, simply just go ahead and press upgrade to a team plan right here. And if you were to go ahead and press on this, it'll then take you to this screen. You can, add your workspace name. So you can select whatever you want. You can select billing options. So I'll just do business right here. Then press on select billing options. You can do a flexible plan or an annual plan. Do as many seats as you want. Then go continue to billing and go straight forward that way. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can upgrade to a team plan here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.